Hey, here's the pulse oximeter. It's around 2000 rupees. So here we unbox. So this is the pulse oximeter. This is packaging and one user manual. So this is a tutorial to use an oximeter. Firstly, it's working. So what you have to do, you have to push from here, and what you have to do, you have to push your finger oximeter from here, and it will open like this. Then you have to put your finger inside the oximeter, then push the button down. So here it starts, and it starts taking reading. So my oxygen level is 99 and heartbeat per minute is 71. So basically the oxygen level should be above 95 and heart rate should be between 60 and 120. So I'm healthy. Thank you.